Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, today I am going to share with you the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops First Impression plus Review. Friends, my skin have so much texture, that's why I want to try it. It has so many good reviews, so that's why I buy this. So let's try this. After 30 days, I will give you the information that it affect on my skin or not, and what kind of effect on my face it will do. So this it has 40 ml product and it comes with this simple cardboard packaging, and on the back this give full information that how it use step by step. And friends, the one thing about this product, you can use it as a serum or as a highlighter, or as well as you can use it as a skincare. So I use it as a skincare or as a primer. So let's see. It comes in this beautiful pink kind glass bottle, and with pump. So let's see the texture of this product. The texture is very milky jelly kind. So this is the texture of this product, and now I apply on my face. Friends, I have acne prone skin, and after first use, friends, but I don't know what I feel. It's little bit sticky, and it has no smell. So let's see how it worth the price or not, and worth the hype or not. Let's see after 30 days. Hello friends, welcome back. After 30 days I'm back with the result of this Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dew Drops Serum. Friends, I'm obsessed with this product. I give you some more information which I see in this product. It has hyaluronic acid and watermelon extract that help moisturize, plump and smooth the skin. It gives these benefits. It has niacinamide that even out skin tone, brightness, dullness and minimize the appearance of pores, which I see in my skin. And friends, it is very gentle on skin, and I see the difference day by day in my skin when I use it from first day. My skin love this. I am obsessed with this product. It is very good product, I can say, and it's worth the money and worth the hype. And you can see the difference in my skin before and after. Here I show you my before and after skin difference. Friends, I wish I knew this product before, and this is my honest review about this Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dew Drops. Friends, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching, friends.